Yo, what's up? So today we're going to test this DIY UPS for 12 volts. Okay, I'm having a hard time pulling this up, but you can it's like that. You can see you have to push both sides and then it will slide up. So you have to use a small. It's hard. See? Anyway, so here is so I placed some batteries from my laptop disassembling battery. I try to make it 1000 milliamperes the capacity. So I say about 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it's about 12 volts ampere. That's on. So this is the charge. He said 9 volts and 12 volts. It says on the backs here. I don't know if you can see. Anyway, it says 12, and I don't know if that's a regulator or something. So let's check if it's the same. So after testing it, it's not so strong. Maybe it can accommodate 1 or 2 routers, but even if it said 3 amperes, it's losing power, so it's not handling it very well. But anyway, this is for home users, so you can just put 1 or 2 router device. So don't forget to subscribe. Bye.